YouTube channel Sethiswiftlearn में आपका स्वागत है. In today's session of NEET paper 2025 paper discussion class 12 physics, questions on these topics will be discussed with additional information that will be very important for entrance exams. Right? In earlier session we have discussed NEET paper 2024 discussion 1, 2, 3 with additional information. Very useful for you. And also we have discussed all these three. You can review that on Sethiswiftlearn. In addition to this, I will also request to go through these for NEET exams. Very important concept killing videos. Right? Now let's start with the questions. Question is, two identical charged conducting spheres, be careful, conducting spheres, have their centers separated by a certain distance. Charge on each sphere is Q and the force of attraction, repulsion between them is F. A third identical, be careful, identical, uncharged conducting sphere is brought in contact with the sphere A, first and then with B and finally removed from both. New force of repulsion between spheres A and B. Radii of A and B are negligible compared to the distance of separate, so that calculating force between them can be considered as a point charge. Is best given by four options are given to you, right? One of the options is correct. Concept applicable and if concept applicable is one conductor is there, इसके ऊपर चार्ज Q है, आइडेंटिकल कंडक्टर लेके आए, इसको टच किया, both are conducting, इसके ऊपर Q2 चार्ज है, conducting. Now redistribution of charge will take place and each will have Q1 plus Q2 by 2, right? Q1 by Q2 charge is conserved, so the net charge will be equal to Q1 plus Q2 if we add both one. Applying this concept, a conducting sphere is there, this is A, this is C, A, C, this is Q, this is 0. A पे क्या चार्ज आ जाएगा? Q by 2, C पे क्या आ जाएगा? Q by 2, right? Q plus 0 divided by 2, Q by 2. This is the concept. Next, second case में B and C. This is Q, this is Q by 2. Q plus Q by 2 divided by 2, CQ by 4. तो B पे 3Q by 4 हो जाएगा, इस पे भी 3Q by 4 हो जाएगा C पे. Now, there are two cases. One is this separated by distance say R, right? This is Q, this is Q. Force of repulsion between them is, it will repel like this. Now second case, keeping the separation same, this is the separation R. No, this is Q by 2, this is 3Q by 4. Separation is same. In this case, say this is F dash. We have to find F dash in term of F. I think question is clear now, right? Now, F will be equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q upon R square is equation according to Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. F dash will be equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q. Q is Q by 2 plus 3Q by 4 divided by R square 2. So 2 divided by 1, this comes out to be F dash upon F equal to F dash upon F. This will cancel out, this will cancel out, this will cancel out, Q square will cancel out. So this will become 3 by 8. Therefore, f dash will be equal to 3 by 8f. Let us see the answer. 3 by 3f by 8. A is the correct answer. A is correct answer. A is correct answer. A is correct answer. Now, A is correct answer. Right. Now, some additional information. Additional information. Qi equal to Q1 minus 1 by K. If it is not the conducting sphere, the charge induced will be this, where K is the dielectric constant. Right? I think this is clear. Next question. Question is, the plates of parallel plate capacitors are separated by a distance d. The two slabs of different dielectric constant K1 and K2 with the thickness 3 by 8d and d by 2 respectively are inserted in the capacitor. Due to this, the capacitor becomes 2 times larger than when there is nothing between the plates. Relation between K1 and K2 is given to 4 options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Right? Concept applicable and solution. Now in this case, this is a capacitor plate. In this case, one dielectric slab, this another dielectric slab, this, right? इसकी thickness T1 है, इसकी thickness T2 है, difference है T. K1, K2, air, right? And C medium is given as C naught epsilon naught A by D minus T1 plus T2 minus plus T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2, right? Now, in this case, assumption is, question mentioned नहीं है ये. When distance is distributed, in this case, area is being considered same as that of capacitor plates. This area of dielectric slab is being considered as same as that of the capacitor slabs. Now in this case, combination will be series combination, right? Combination will be series combination, right? Now here T1 is 3 by 8d, T2 is 1 by 2d, and d is d. K2 equal to K1 equal to 1.25 K2. Substituting values. This comes out to be C medium equal to epsilon naught A d minus 3 by 8d plus 1 by 2d plus T1 3 by 8 K1 plus 1 by 2 K2 into d. Total common absent ray by d upon 1 minus, this will come out to be 4 7 by 8, 7 by 8 plus 3 by 8 into 12.25 into K2 plus 1 by 2 K2. D is taken common. This is equal to epsilon naught A by D upon 7 by 8, 7 by 8 plus 1 by K2. This comes out to be 3 by 8. This will become 10. 10, 5, 8, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 K2. 4 by 5 K2 Cm. This is equal to C naught. According to question, Cm equal to twice C naught. Cm equal to twice C naught. Therefore, twice C naught equal to C naught divided by 7 by 8. This comes out to be 1 minus 7 by 8. This is 7 by 8. Okay. 7 by 8. So this will come out to be 1 by 8. This will become 1 by 8. This will become 1 by 8 plus 4, 5 by 1 by 8. This goes, then 4 by 5 into 1 by K2 plus 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 2. On simplification, K2 comes out to be 2.33. Right? Divide the K1 equal to 1.25. K2 1.25 into 2.33. This comes out to be 2.66. Right? This is 2.66. So B is the correct answer. Right? Now in this case, we have assumed the area of the dielectric slab is same as that of the capacitor plates, and we apply this formula. Right? Now, some additional information is being provided here. Right? Additional information regarding capacitor. When dielectric slab is inserted, there are two cases. Battery is connected. Battery is connected. Means remain connected. Remain connected. Battery is switched off. The 5 parameters. One is capacitance. Capacitance C naught by K means increases. Charge Q equal to C into V. In case battery remains connected to the same, C increases, this increases. Then charge potential, battery current, this will remain same. Electric field V naught by K decreases. Then potential energy half CV square. This is same, this increases, so this increases. Right? In this case, C naught by K increases. In this case, Q is same. Battery is disconnected, charge is. In this case, potential is equal to V equal to V naught by K. E equal to V by D, that is V naught by K into D, decreases. That's half CV square or half Q square by C. In this case, Q same as C increases, so this overall decreases. Right? These are the parameters which are given to you. Second information. Cm equal to epsilon A over D minus T, T1 minus 1 by K, and C metal to the epsilon A over D minus T. K is infinity for metal. C metal is greater than C dielectric when dielectric is inserted. Right? Next, when when area is distributed and when area is distributed and distance remains same. Distance remains same. Combination is parallel combination. Right? Next question. Question is electric dipole with dipole moment of 5 into 10 to the power 1 is Coulomb meter is aligned with the direction uniform electric field. This is P, this is E. Dipole is then rotated with angle of 60 degree. With respect to the electric, change in potential of the dipole is simple concept applicable is change in potential energy, electrostatic potential energy. It will be equal to PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This is the initial position. This is the final position. That is theta 1 equal to 0 degree, aligning in the same direction, then rotate to 60 degree. Right? Then change in potential, electrostatic potential, substituting values. PE. P is given to you 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into E 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. Not into 10 to the power 5. All are in SI. Be careful regarding the units. Into cos 0 minus cos 60 degree. This comes out to be 20 into 10 to the power minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 joule. 1 joule is the correct answer. 1 joule. Third option is the correct answer. Now I will request, if you are new to my YouTube channel Sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel, press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.